Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to clean Android phone from virus. Getting a virus on your phone is rare, but it can happen sometimes. And here are the steps to clean an Android phone from viruses or malware. First is to turn on your Android phone and unlock it. Restart your phone in safe mode by pressing and hold the power button, tap and hold the power off, then tap the safe mode. Check if pop-ups or strange behavior stop in the safe mode. Now, go to the Settings app, tap the Apps or App Management, go to All Apps, look for known, suspicious, or recently installed apps. Tap the suspicious app, tap Uninstall. If uninstall is disabled, tap Force Stop first, then tap Uninstall. Now to exit the safe mode by restarting your phone normally, then open the Google Play Store, search for a trusted antivirus app. For example, is Malwarebytes, Bitdefender, or AVG. Install the antivirus app and run a full scan. Enable Google Play Store or Google Play Protect. Tap the Play Store, tap Profile Picture, tap Play Protect, turn on, or tap the scan. Update Android and all apps via Settings, Security and Privacy, Software Update, and Install Updates. Extra safety tips. Avoid installing apps from unknown websites. Don't tap suspicious ads or pop-ups. Regularly clear browser downloads and cache. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.